Hi, it's Robert, the red tie guy, and this is the early November 2022 market stats update. So, what's the market doing? What's the numbers? What does this mean for sellers? And what does this mean going into the holidays and the new year? This is going to be a by the numbers summary of last October, the one we just had, and the year prior, 2021. And that's going to illustrate what's happening in the market, what you should do about it, and just what I predict for the next 3, 4 months. Now, here's the numbers. I'm going to hold it up to the camera, so just bear with me here as I come off to the side. Now, you see the big circle. That first row, the one in the middle there, that is last year's median sales price versus this year's median sales price, and it has about a 10% increase. Below that is the average sales price for last October, October 2021, versus the average sales price for October 2022. Now, the numbers above that, the 19 to 31, that's the average days on market for last year's October versus this year's October. Two things are happening. One, homes are selling for about 10% more than they were this time last year. And two, they're taking longer to sell. So we've had a good solid 2 years of home values shooting up and for the bidding wars. And now it is slowing down. We're seeing that because that 19 last year, the 19 average days on market, that was predominantly homes selling in 2 to 4 days. And then there's some that stay on the market for weeks or months. Well, now everything is pretty much staying for at least a week, maybe 2 weeks in the typical someone's living in the home and they're selling it situation. Now, I'm not talking the open door or the remodeled homes where they can be patient. I'm talking about the ones where there's a family, they have plans, they need the money. It's a typical deal, the average typical seller. Well, back then, those were selling in a weekend. Now they're selling in 1 to 2 weeks. But you've had 2 years of pricing increases. So don't panic. It might back down a little bit as some people need to sell and they can't wait weeks. They might start dropping the price. And that is going to affect the averages, but that's not going to be every single sale either, though. What you can do about this? Well, it's slowing down because the interest rates are going up. That's the big factor. There's still some work from home considerations pushing up demand, still some supply chain issues, still the fact that new homes take a while to build. You can combine all, but the big thing is the interest rate is what is slowing it down. If you're selling your home, find a way, talk to an agent, myself, about how you can offset the interest rate for potential buyers. You can market it. You can offer ways to offset that interest rate, and that can make your home more appealing in terms of the monthly payment starting out. The other thing is to know your competition. If you're going to be on the market for last year, if you were on the market for just a few days, well, that was just a few days. Your competition is going to disappear after 2 days, and you can sell next weekend. But in this market, now that homes are starting to take a week or 2 weeks to sell, you're going to have competition for about 2 weeks. So find a way to get that edge over your competitor. Now, homes are going to become tighter over the next 2 months because people aren't going to put up they're not going to put out their Thanksgiving dinner while they're expecting showings. They're not going to put out their holiday decorations inside the home while they're expecting people to come in and make offers. So expect the available homes to become less in the near future, and then expect a rush of available homes coming up in January and February. Now, if you can sell your home, you're planning to sell your home and you're able to do it before January and February, take advantage of it because people are still planning to buy, planning to move, and there's not going to be as much competition. But after the Christmas tree gets taken down, after they're done hosting the New Year's party, a lot of people are going to be putting their homes up for sale, and that might be your competition. So, this is the market update report. Happy to hear from you. Feel free to give me a call, 520-955-8057. And there are some links below if you want to go ahead and find out what your home can sell for, track your equity. Feel free to click there, browse homes, and if you're watching this on the YouTube, please subscribe. Thank you.